What's the meaning of courtesy? Courtesy. Courtesy.
Courtesy. Courtesy. Courtesy is a noun that refers to polite behavior, especially in a social setting. It involves showing respect and consideration towards others by behaving in a gracious and courteous manner, regardless of personal feelings or opinions. This can include saying please and thank you, holding doors open for others, using proper etiquette during meals, and showing respect for others' time and space. By practicing courtesy, we can build stronger relationships, create a more positive atmosphere, and demonstrate our commitment to treating others with dignity and respect.